In this video, I'm going to show you how to change key in Studio One or Studio Pro. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is select where you want to change the key. So for example, I want to change the key of my audio I have in here, and there's two ways you could do this. You could either transpose, or you could just go down to the bottom here and select the key. So first, let's actually go down here, click on the key button, and as you can see from here, you can then pick your key. So if I go for example, G over here, as you can see, this is now in G key, okay? That's the first way to do it. The second one is to actually transpose. So you want to click on your audio, you want to go and click on this I tab over here to open the inspector. You could also press F4 on your keyboard, and then over here on the left under track you can find transpose. So if you transpose, you'll be able to kind of change the key just like that. So you can just type in whatever value you want. For example, if I do 12 in here, I can then go over here and you'll hear my voice. It's going to be, of course, taken up a key, so like that.
This is just some sample audio.
Yeah, you get it, okay? If I go, for example, 24, it's gonna be even more. It's not even understandable, but if I go, for example, minus like 6 or something, I could go and click in here as well to actually show you how it sounds. There we go.
This is just some sample audio.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm changing the key just like that, okay? Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.